This is our go-to affordable version of pepper lunch. So, Mr. Kimbap Korean Barbecue. Awa guys, nara sila tag 159 nga beef bibimbap. So, mo nilang other menu, you can pause if you like to see. Let's go. So, here's our order guys. So, wala dito available ang akong gina-usual nga order nga beef bibimbap. So, ang available na nila is kaning meat lovers nga chicken. And by the way, for our drinks, we have Mr. Quincher nga mango. Let's eat! You'll never go wrong good sa Mr. Quincher. First bite. Actually, namirap gapon sa kuan guys, Mr. Kimbap. We also have classic kimchi. Look at that. That's it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.